Hello everyone, today I am gonna explain you a very important thing about the tenses, or you can say family tree of tenses. So let's learn with me. Tense is a grandfather, and the grandfather has three sons: present, past, and future. And then present has four children, which is present indefinite, present continuous, present perfect continuous. The same as past has a four children: past indefinite, past continuous, past perfect continuous. Future indefinite, future continuous, future perfect continuous. So let's learn more deeply about the tenses. Let's begin with present indefinite tense. Here you can see helping verbs do and does. And here you can see formula. And this is very important. If you want to make sentence, you want to learn about it, you must need to remember all the formulas. Let's look at the sentence first, and then I will let you know about the formulas, how it works. I drink coffee. Look, I is a subject, drink is a verb, but the first form of verb. Coffee is object. So it is very simple. If you just follow the formula, you can write the sentence. Let's look at another one, present continuous tense. So here you can see helping verb is, am, are. Let's look at the sentence, I am drinking coffee. Subject is I, am is a helping verb, drink is a verb. So verb first form is drink plus ing. So drinking, object is a coffee. Let's look at another one, present perfect tense. Here you can see has and have is a helping verb. And you can see formula. Let's look at the sentence. I have taught English. So I is a subject, have is a helping verb. Taught is a verb third form. English is object. So this is the same as formulas. You just need to remember the formula and you can make sentence by yourself. Let's look at the present perfect continuous tense. Here you can see helping verbs has been, have been. The formula is subject plus have been, has been, plus have been, plus verb first form, plus ing and object. So I have written the sentence. Let's see. I have been waiting to see doctor. So you can see I is a subject, have been is a helping verb, wait is actually the verb first form plus ing, waiting to see a doctor. Doctor is an object. Let's look at the next one, past indefinite tense. Did is a helping verb, subject plus verb second form plus object. I played soccer. So I is a subject, played, you can see ed. So it's a second form of verb. I played soccer. Soccer is an object. See, was and were are the helping verbs. Subject plus was, were, plus verb first form plus ing and plus object. You can see sentence. I is a subject, was is a helping verb, have is a verb, but the first form of verb, plus ing, having. I was having dinner. So dinner is an object. Here you can see past perfect tense. You can see had. Had is a helping verb. Subject plus had plus verb third form plus object. I is a subject, had is a helping verb, seen is a verb, but the see and seen is a third form of verb. So I had seen her somewhere. So somewhere is a place. You can say this is the object. Let's look at the past perfect continuous tense. Had been is a helping verb. Subject plus had been plus verb first form plus ing plus object. This is a formula. I have been driving car all night. So you can see I is a subject, had is a helping verb, had been is a helping verb, and drive is a first form, and plus ing, driving. Car is a object. Future indefinite tense. Will is a helping verb. Subject plus will plus verb first form plus object. Sentence is we will go to buy a car. So some sentences you can use two verbs. We is a subject, will is a helping verb, go and buy is a verb first form, and the car is object. Future continuous tense. Will be is a helping verb. Subject plus will be plus verb first form plus ing plus object. This is a formula. Now look at the sentence. I will be working until late night. So I is a subject, will be is a helping verb, working, work is actually the verb, and you can see ing, verb plus ing, working, plus object, until late night. Future perfect tense. Will have is a helping verb. Subject plus will have plus verb 3 form plus object. Look at the sentence. I will have saved $600 by August. So you can see I is a subject, will have is a helping verb, saved is a third form of verb, $600 is an object. So same you can see a future perfect continuous tense. The very important thing is formulas. You need to remember the formulas. Will have been is a helping verb. Subject plus will have been plus verb first form plus ing plus object. This is a formula. And let's look at the sentence now. I will have been saving money for 6 months. So here you can see I is a subject, will have been, save is a verb first form, but plus ing, saving. I have been saving, money is object, for 6 months. If you remember the formulas or if you understand exactly, you can make sentence